So we have our step plates for the sidewinders. These are optional. You don't have to get them. These are Cerakoted. It's a ceramic finish. This is for our truck, so I'm going to be putting the red on. And you're going to start off with those. You're going to have a little kit here. That's going to be a slider step plate bolt kit. And it has all the stainless steel hardware in it. All the hardware is the same size. It's not like there's different sizes. So you don't have to keep track of nuts of different shapes and stuff like that. So I'm going to just dump it out. Looks like a lot, but it's just for just those basic screws, lock washers and washers. Whenever you put these on, you have a lock washer and washer for them. The key thing is the washer and lock washer is going to be underneath, and we typically put the bolt heads on top. It's just a nice clean bolt head. So we'll go ahead and start putting these on at this point, directly on the slider. So it's a little easier to do before you put the slider on the truck. You can do these after the slider's on the truck, but the mounting plates for the step plates, for the dimple die plates, they go just right in there. Little dimple dies will self-locate, and then all the mounting holes that you can put the 5/32 little screws in, and these are all stainless steel. So now you're going to come in from behind, you're going to put a washer, lock washer, and then a nut on. The lock washer always touches the nut. The washer goes on first. So these are a 5/32 Allen head. You can also use a 4mm, which is basically the same size. I'm using the tool with nothing else on it for now while I get the washers and nuts started. And I'm just using it to turn it because I'm just coming up from below with the stack, holding it below it, and just holding the nut right to the base of the little bolt. It's pretty easy to put it in. Now, I'm also not tightening these down until I have them all in. And then once they're all in, then I'm going to come back through and then I'll tighten them all down. As far as torque settings, some people ask what the torque is. I mean, technically it's 32 foot-pounds for the stainless steel 1020. Honestly, you don't have to just torque it super tight. These are pretty snug. You're just going to hold the plates in place. So in the front step plate, there is a left and right. The rear is universal, but the front are left and right. So if you put it on and it doesn't match up to what's on there, that's the wrong one. So it should the dimples down, and it goes that way. Now, you have an option as a consumer. You can decide, hey, I want to go dimples up. I want to have it as extra tread, and there's some people that like to do that. And they feel that it gives them extra traction on their sliders when they are using them. So you can go dimple die up if you prefer. I like the look of dimple down, and I don't feel like I need extra traction. I'm just gonna be cautious whenever I'm stepping on a slider. So, but you have that ability to go dimple dies up if you wish. It's your discretion. And now I'm gonna go ahead and drop in our bolts. And there's 4 of them. And these are just the 1/4-20 stainless steel. And then snug them down. Again, torque setting, if you want to be official about it, is 32 foot-pounds for 1/4-20 stainless steel 304. I'm just going to snug them down nice and tight.